Good morning everyone. Now children, in this video we will start a new lesson, the state of India. In this lesson you will know function of the central and state government, the names of 28 states and 8 union territories of India. Okay, and also the name of their capital. Okay children, as you know that India country that occupies the greater part of the South Asia. India is a vast country. India is a vast country, and it is a part of the Asia, and it is a part of Asia. Asia is the largest. Asia is a continent. Asia is a continent, and it is the largest continent. Asia is the largest continent. Okay, largest continent. And the capital of India is New Delhi. The capital of India is New Delhi. The capital of India. The capital of India is New Delhi. Okay, New Delhi. Its government is a constitutional republic that represents a highly diverse population consisting of thousands of ethnic groups and likely hundreds of and languages. It means that many peoples lives here. Many people live here, and these peoples belong to different culture and religions, and they belong to different culture and different languages. As I told you that India is a vast country and many peoples lives in here, and they belongs to different culture and different languages, and also they wear the different dresses, and they eat different kinds of food. For example, when you go from the south direction, south pole, and you can see that the south people like to eat fish, rice. Okay, and when you go from the north side, and the peoples like rice, roti, sabji. Okay, and west also like the peoples like the rice, fish. Okay, this is the kind of food, and many peoples live in here, and they speak a different language, and they belong to different culture. They speak a different language, and they wear the different dresses, and they eat the different kinds of food. Okay, India is the second most populous country. India is the second most populous country. India is the second most populous country, and the first most populous country is China. China is the first most populous country. First most populous country. Okay, country. And India is the second most populous country. India is the 7th largest country in the world. India is the seventh largest country in the world. Okay, India is the 7th largest country in the world. And from the north to south about 3000 kilometer. Look at here, north to south 3200. Look at here, the length of the north to south is 3200 kilometer, and west to east it's 3000 kilometer. Okay, the length of the north to south is 3000 kilometer and west to east 3000 kilometer. And the total area of India is 32,87,263. Total area 32,87,263 kilometer. Okay, children, as you know, India became independent on 15 August 1947. It became a republic on 26 January 1950. When we celebrate Republic Day, we celebrated Republic Day 26 January 1950. India is the largest democratic country. Okay, democratic, it means a system of government by the whole populations, all the eligible member of state. Every Indian has the right to choose people to form a government. In India, every person has the right to choose their government. The government, what does the work government? The government work is look after the safety and welfare of the people. India is a very big country to govern. Such a big country, governments have been formed at two levels. Okay, as I told you that India is a big country and it is difficult to manage one person in a whole state. That's why the Indian government has been divided into two parts. First is the central government and second is the state government. Central government the government at the central level is called a central government, and the government at the state level is called a state government. Okay, it gets very difficult to manage the large country. As I told you that India is a large country and it gets very difficult to manage the large country from one place. So Indian constitutions give right to the central government to make state as it feels suitable. Okay, government divided into two parts. First is central government and second is state government. Okay, central government is situated in New Delhi. Okay, central government is situated in New Delhi, and in India every person has the right to choose their government. And how many states there are? There are 28 states. Okay, there are 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay, children, now first I will explain the state, and after that I will explain the structure of central government. Okay, first I will explain the state. First is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, it is formation 1st November 1956. Andhra Pradesh, the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad, and it is formation, Andhra Pradesh formation is 1st November 1956. Okay, 2nd June 2014, the Telangana removed from the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, and Telangana became a separate state when 2nd June 2014. Before the separations, Telangana is a part of Andhra Pradesh, but 2nd June 2014 it is a separate from the Andhra Pradesh. And Andhra Pradesh also known as egg bowl or India of India, Kohinoor of India. Okay, and one thing is that the second longest coastline, Andhra Pradesh is the second longest coastline. Okay, Andhra Pradesh state. First is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad, and formation of Andhra Pradesh is 1st November 1956, known as egg bowl of India. Okay, and the Andhra Pradesh is the second longest coastline. It's 972. Okay, Andhra Pradesh is the second longest coastline, and first is the Gujarat. And second thing is Panchayati Raj system established first in Rajasthan and second Andhra Pradesh. Panchayati Raj system. Okay, Panchayati Raj system first Rajasthan and second Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. Okay, as I told you that the state was bifurcated into two parts. First is Andhra Pradesh and second is Telangana. Telangana state, when the Telangana state became the 2nd June 2014. Telangana state became the 2nd June 2014. Now comes to the next state. It's Arunachal Pradesh. It's Arunachal Pradesh, and the capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. And the formation of Arunachal Pradesh is 20 February 1987. Andhra Pradesh, also known as land of sunrise and orchid state of India, paradise of the botanist, largest among the northeast state. Third capital is Dispur, and the third state is Assam, and the capital is Dispur, and the formation of Assam is 26 January 1950. Okay, and we also known the Assam as India's gateway to Northeast India. Okay, we also known the Assam the gateway to the Northeast India. Okay, India's gateway. Okay, now comes to the next capital, Bihar, and the state Bihar, and the capital is Bihar is Patna, and the formation of Bihar 26 March 1912. And we also known Bihar as birthplace of Buddhism. Okay, we also known Bihar as birthplace of Buddhism and Jainism. Now comes to the fifth state is Chandigarh, and the capital of Chandigarh is Raipur, and the formation of Chandigarh is 1st November 2000. The formation of Chhattisgarh. The formation of Chhattisgarh is 1st November 2000 and the capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur and the number of state is 26. Okay, and Chhattisgarh also known India's rice bowl. Chhattisgarh also known as India's rice bowl. Okay, Chhattisgarh also known as India's rice bowl and the formation of Chhattisgarh is 1st November 2000. 1st November 2000. Now comes to the next state is Goa and the capital of Goa is Panji and the formation of Goa 30 May 1987. I know everyone want to go Goa because Goa is a very beautiful state. Okay. And Goa also known as the Pearl of the East and Pearl of the Orient, smallest. The Goa is the smallest state among the 28 states. The smallest state is Goa. Smallest state. Okay, Goa is the smallest state. Now comes to the next state is Gujarat and the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar and the formation of Gujarat is 1st May 1960. Okay, Gujarat, capital of Gandhinagar and the formation of 1st May 96 and people speak Gujarati and Konkani. Now next state is Haryana. Haryana and the capital is Chandigarh and the formation of Haryana 1st November 1966. Okay. And the Haryana also known as Milk Pail of India. Okay, and people speak in Haryana Hindi. Next is Himachal Pradesh. Next state is Himachal Pradesh and the capital of Himachal is in Himachal Pradesh there are two capitals like Shimla is a summer capital and Dharamsala is a winter capital. Dharamsala. Dharamsala is a winter capital of Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Himachal Pradesh. Shimla is the summer capital. Shimla is a summer capital. Shimla summer capital and Dharamsala is a winter capital. Okay. Now comes to the next state, Jharkhand. Jharkhand, the capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi and the formation of Jharkhand 15 November 2000. 15 November 2000. Okay. And Jharkhand also known the out of total mineral resources. Jharkhand is rich of mineral resources. Okay. The only state produce cooking oil. Jharkhand is the only state in India to produce cooking oil. Cooking oil. Jharkhand is the only state in India to produce cooking oil. Okay, Jharkhand is the only state in India to produce cooking oil, and the formation of Jharkhand is 15 November 2000. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi, and people speak Hindi and Santhali. Okay. Now next is the Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore, and the formation of Karnataka 1st November 1956. Okay, the Karnataka capital is Bangalore, and the formation of Karnataka is 1st November 1956. And the Karnataka also known as first coffee production in India. Karnataka first coffee production. Karnataka state is known first coffee production. Okay, coffee production. Karnataka is the first coffee productions in India. Okay, and Mysore place is the second most visited tourist destination in India. Mysore in Karnataka place, situated in Karnataka. Okay, now next is Kerala. Kerala, the capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram, and the formation of Kerala 1st November 1956. And people speak in Kerala Malayalam. Okay, and Kerala is also known as spice. Kerala spice is very famous in all over the India. Okay, in whole state the Kerala spices is very famous. Now next is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal, and the formation of Madhya Pradesh 1st November 1956. Okay, and Madhya Pradesh also known as the heart of India, because the Madhya Pradesh is situated in the middle of the map. Look at here, Madhya Pradesh is situated in the middle. So that's why Madhya Pradesh called the heart of the India. Madhya Pradesh also known as heart of India. Now next is Maharashtra. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai, and the formation of Maharashtra 1st May 1960. Okay, 1st May 1960, Maharashtra. The formation of Maharashtra 1st May 1960, and people speak Marathi Konkani. People speak Marathi and Konkani. And Maharashtra also known as the largest producer of sugarcane. ठीक है, largest producer sugar के Karnataka coffee production, Jharkhand cooking oil, and Maharashtra sugarcane, largest producer sugarcane. Okay, now next is Manipur. Manipur, the capital of Manipur is Imphal. The capital of Manipur is Imphal, and the formation of Manipur is 21 January 1972. Okay, and Manipur also known as the Switzerland of India. Manipur also known as the Switzerland of India. Okay, Manipur also known as the Switzerland of India. Now next is Meghalaya. Meghalaya, the capital of Meghalaya is Shillong, and the formation of Meghalaya is 21 January 1972. Okay, and you know that the highest rainfall highest rainfall in Meghalaya. Okay, highest rainfall in Meghalaya. Cherrapunji, Mawsynram. Okay, and the next is Mizoram, and capital of Mizoram is Aizawl, and the formation of Mizoram 20 Feb 1987. Next is Nagaland, and capital is Kohima. Capital is Kohima, and the formation is 1963. Next is Odisha. Odisha, capital is Bhubaneswar, and the formation is 1st April. 1st April 1936. Okay, 1st April 1936. And next is Punjab, and the capital is Chandigarh, and formation is 1st November 1966. 1st November 1966. Punjab, also known as the land of 5 rivers. Punjab, also known as the land of 5 rivers. Now comes to the next state, Rajasthan, and the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur, and its formation is 26 January 1950. It is also known as the Great Indian Desert. Now comes to the next state is Sikkim, and the capital of Sikkim is Gangtok, and its formation is 16 May 1975. Okay, and Sikkim also known as first organic state. Okay, Sikkim also known as first organic state. Now next state is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu capital is Chennai, and formation of Tamil Nadu 1st November 1956, and it is also known as second largest state economy. Now next is Telangana, and Telangana capital of Hyderabad, and formation of Telangana is 2nd June 2014. Telangana, formation of Telangana 2nd June 2014. Tripura, capital of Tripura is Agartala, and the formation of Tripura 2nd January 1972. Okay, and Tripura is people speak Bangla. Telangana, Telugu, Urdu. Now next is Uttar Pradesh, and the capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow, and formation of Uttar Pradesh is 24 January 1950. Okay, and Uttar Pradesh also known as producer state in India, most populous state. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state. Okay, and it's share the boundary maximum state. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state, and it share the boundary. Now next is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand capital is Dehradun, and formation of Uttarakhand 9 November 2000. Okay, and Uttarakhand also known as Devbhoomi. Now the last capital state is West Bengal, and the capital of West Bengal is Kolkata, and the formation of West Bengal 2nd Jan 1950. And West Bengal also known as largest producer of rice. Okay, largest producer of rice. So these are the state, these are the 28 state, capital, and the formation, and the languages people speak in which state and which languages. Okay, so everyone knows the Everyone learn the state and their capital and languages also. Okay, and look at here. Here I am showing the map. Okay, Jammu and Kashmir top of the map, and it is known as the crown of India. Jammu and Kashmir bifurcated into two parts, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, and it is included in Union territories. Look at here, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, okay. Bihar capital is Patna, Bhutan, not Bhutan, Assam, Dispur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, Myanmar, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and the south part is Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat. Okay, these are the state and their capital. Okay, so everyone children learn their state, learn the state and their capital. Okay, I hope you all are understand very well. Thank you children, have a nice day.